Hello everyone, my name is Danyal Ahmad and today we're going to be going over the ideal setup for Maara Academy. Ideally, you would have a tablet and a stylus pen. The idea is for you to have an electronic book and a pen wherever you go. We're moving forward from the idea of a physical book and a piece of paper and looking for these pieces of paper, losing these documents, everything stored on this tablet here. So let's take a look at how you might approach a normal lesson with the Maara Academy. So if you, as you can see here, I have my Google Drive, or sorry, my Google Classroom. And depending on what class, this is lower key stage 2. As you can see, this is our class at the moment. You have your teachers and your classwork, which is here. Could you see that? Could you see the tabs at the bottom? Stream, classwork, and people. So I'll go into classwork and say, for example, I just had a lesson on guided reading. I might open that document here, depending on what group I'm in, and then there we go, the PDF form. Let's do that again. It's the PDF we're looking for. Yeah. So sometimes in lessons you might see that there are two forms of an activity: the PDF form and the Google Slide or PowerPoint form. So if you have your laptop, you'll be looking for the PowerPoint version. But if you have your tablet, we are looking for the PDF version. So that's the red small sign. So as you can see the red small sign here. So then I know that this is what I'm looking for. And then I will be directed straight to the learning material with the questions here. So all I need to do now is download the document. All right. So could you see on the top right corner, we have a download icon. So I go onto that. I can airdrop it or I can save it to my files. I will create a folder for the Maara Academy. Can you see it here? If you don't know how to create one, you can press this button here. We've already got one, so we save it in the Maara Academy, and now it's ready for us to work on. So let's take a look at where we might find this. So I'll go to my home tab here, and I have files. Okay, I will type in files. There you can see, or I can type it in. And in files, I have all my lessons. My most recent lesson is here, or I can look for it in the folder itself, which should come up here somewhere. So let's take a look at our most recent. Now I can edit. Could you see that there is a small icon here? That's to edit the document. So let's take a look at how this might look when I am writing. So let's say we want to answer this question. I will go onto my toolkit, open up my pen. I like the black color. If I want to change the, where it is, I might push it down here. And if I want to change the density, I can. And the thickness of it as well. Yeah. And in theory, what I can do now is I can write onto the tablet. So for example, what percentage of oxygen is in the air we breathe? We can go back to the reading material. Again, I pressed undo to do an action. And when I want to scroll, I deactivate it. So that will resolve that problem of you making marks. Yeah. And then let's see, 21% of the oxygen we breathe is 21%. So this is an important part of the information that we need. I will scroll back down, and that's where I might record my answer. Yeah. So in theory, that is the ins and outs or the basics of how we might edit a document. And of course, this is an opportunity for our students to really get used to writing with a pen, and in conjunction with typing, right? They will also still have opportunities to write in the exercise books for big write-ups. But again, we're moving forward from the traditional model, right? So this comes in parcel with that. So that sums up our basic tutorial in terms of getting used to using our iPad for e-learning. It's all saved automatically. And then what you can do later on is we'll teach you how you might upload it onto Google Drive. But just to give you an idea, you can upload the document straight away onto your drive, which is here. And then you'll have your folder. In theory, you'll have your English folder somewhere here, and then you can save it directly. And that sums up everything so far. Thank you for joining. Bye.